latest generation CUPRA Born full EV in with us today. We've been working on this particular one. We've fitted the latest generation and top of the range Blackvue LTE 970X and CellLink Neo 8 battery pack. Here at TTW we specialise in EV vehicles, so it's not a problem installing dash cameras into these correctly. So I just thought we'd do a nice video on this one because it's the first one I've seen. It's a rather nice looking car. So I'll just walk round with you. So in terms of rear camera, our sort of trademark install, no wires. We don't like any wires here at TTW. It's your rear camera there fitted into the back. And then we've also got, if I can show you, the battery pack we've concealed down here in a nice little compartment, so that's completely out the way as well, which is there. And then I'll just go around to the interior so you can see in here. Basically got dash camera, which is then positioned here up at the front. All the wires are concealed away, so you've got no wires showing internally inside the vehicle. I'll just do a quick resume inside here, see if you've not seen one inside. Just there. So yes, if you've got a CUPRA Born and you would like dash camera installing, then please give us a call here at TTW.